welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about banking, specifically your bank account, and making sure you guys understand all the features and benefits that are available to you. As a new mummy, I'm always looking for the best deal, anything that can benefit me or my family, and so I thought I would just share that knowledge with you. Working in the financial industry for almost 10 years. Alright, so let's start with interest-bearing accounts. What does that mean? So an interest-bearing account is an account like your savings account. It will have an interest rate and it will pay in some money. It's usually at the end of every month based on how much money is in your account and obviously based on what their interest rate is. I'm going to break them down bank by bank. So we'll start with Santander and the 123 account. The 123 account has 0.6% interest, and that's paid in at the end of every month on balances up to £2,000. It does also offer 3% cash back. A maximum of £5 will be paid into the account per month, but you will need to pay in at least £500 and have 2 active direct debits. This is of course on a monthly basis. There is a fee for this account, so there is a £5 fee, but if you didn't bank with Santander and wanted to switch over to them, they are willing to offer a 4-month fee-free overdraft. Now the Lloyds Club account. So the Lloyds Club account offers 2 different interest rates. So if you have balances between £1,000 and £3,999, they will offer you 1% interest. If your balance is between £4,000 and £5,000, then they will offer you 2% interest. If you pay in £1,500, so usually like your salary, you can have the account for free. However, they don't penalise you if you can't pay in that amount, so you can pay a £3 fee and still have the account. They also offer something they like to call a lifestyle benefit. That could be either movies, cinema or magazines. They do offer £50 fee free on their overdraft, so as long as you go up to £50 they won't charge you any interest. After that there will be an interest charge. With this, it is important to note that all overdrafts are subject to status, so depending on your credit score, the bank will tell you how much they are willing to offer you, if they're willing to offer you anything at all. If you're not offered an overdraft, you need to avoid what is called an unarranged overdraft. Although banks are no longer allowed to penalise you by charging you a daily fee, you will still affect your credit report in a negative way. So if we move on to TSB, TSB have one account. This account offers interest at 1.5% on balances up to £1,500. You pay in £500 per month, and there is no fee at all for having this account. The Flex Direct from Nationwide, this is predominantly an online account, so you would need to be comfortable with internet and mobile banking, but there are people available in branch to help you and talk you through how this works. This account offers 2% interest on balances up to £1,500. You would need to pay in at least £1,000 every month, but there is no fee for having this account. If you're a new to Nationwide customer, then they will also offer you a fee-free overdraft for 12 months. Cool. Hope you guys are still with me. What I want to look at now are reward accounts, please. Barclays offer Blue Rewards on top of their normal bank account. With that, you pay £4 a month and need to pay in at least £800. But what it will offer you is up to £7 cash back based on 2 direct debits, and also look at cash back if you have other products with them like your mortgage, loans, home insurance or life insurance. It will also open you up to exclusive savings rates, and it is important to note that Barclays also offer a independent card where you can have your own design on it, so it gives you some uniqueness, if you will. To understand what other cashback offers they have, you would need to look on their website to see what retailers they've signed up to. Halifax also have a reward account called the rewards account. With that, you need to make sure that your account stays in credit, but you could earn up to 15% cash back. They also offer you lifetime benefits, so that's movies, magazines, cinema, or £5 back into your account. In order to qualify, you need to save at least 5k in the account or spend £500. But on a monthly basis, you would need to pay in £1,500 or they'll charge you £3 a month. So you can still have the account if you can't make that minimum monthly transfer. It's important to note with all of these accounts, if they ask for a minimum transfer, it can't be from your savings account into your current account. It needs to come from an external source. HSBC have the advance account. So with the advance account, you would pay in £1,500 every month or £10,500 over 6 months. With that, you'd get a minimum overdraft offer of £1,000, obviously subject to status, and exclusive savings rates, and the first £25 of your overdraft is fee-free. Offer accounts to UK and European residents. So most bank accounts specifically are for UK residents, but this account, if you have a European address and have recently moved to the UK, you can open an account with them. Next on the list is NatWest. So NatWest have their rewards account, which is charged at £2 a month, and you can earn up to £5 cash back. That's based on 2 direct debits and 1 app log-on. So you'd need to log on to the mobile banking app. You can build up your balance. So if you earn this £5 cash back, you can either bank it and put it into your account, or you can save it up and get it as a gift card. They have a specific rewards site where it will tell you what rewards you are open to and how you want to receive that reward. They also offer 1% cash back. Again, it's selected retailers, so have a look online to see which one would benefit you. Santander, we talked about the 123 account being an interest-bearing account. This is the 123 Lite, so the fee is slightly lower. It's £1 a month. There is no interest offered on the account, but you can still earn the 3% cash back on the selected retailers, capped at £5 a month. And if you were to switch from another provider, then you also could get a fee-free overdraft for 4 months. It's important to note that you still have to pay in at least £500 every month, have 2 active direct debits, and be willing to log on to the internet banking at least every 3 months. This type of account that I'm going to talk through are packaged accounts, and there's a lot of things that you need to understand with a packaged account. First of all, there is always going to be a monthly fee that is attached to this account because there are insurance benefits. With the insurance benefits, every bank will be underwritten by different insurers. All their policy documents will be available on their website, or you can go into branch to request one yourself. Even before you choose this account, it's important to understand the policy document so that you know what you're covered for. It will go through all the limitations and exclusions. All of these accounts that I'll talk through offer some sort of travel insurance. The travel insurance is important for anyone who has an underlying medical condition. Any pre-existing medical conditions need to be told to the insurer before you plan to travel. If something happens to you while you're away and they are not aware of this existing medical condition, it could invalidate your insurance fraud. So let's take Corona for example. There's a lot of people who haven't been able to go on holiday. So there's a lot of different ways that you can look at getting your money back. If you had a packaged account, so you had travel insurance on your bank account, you could claim that way. If you also bought separate insurance, you can also make a claim that way. You would need to pick which one you want to make a claim on. You cannot call both insurances and try and claim. So what I'm going to do is go into the actual accounts that there are to offer. We'll start with the Halifax account, which is called Ultimate Rewards. It's charged at £17 per month, but you also get a lifestyle benefit. So like the previous rewards account, It's either cinema, movies, magazine subscription, or you can get £5 paid back into your bank account. The 4 types of insurances that are offered with this account are travel insurance, which is family and it covers you worldwide, breakdown cover but does not cover accidents, mobile phone insurance, it's 2 claims in a 12-month period and accounts must be registered to the account holder, and home emergency. So with home emergency, you do not have to be a homeowner to have this, but you need to get permission from your landlord before calling to make a claim. What the home emergency covers you for is any kind of failure, so water failure, electrical failure, gas failure. Also covers you for pests, so that's kind of mice or rats or I don't know, any kind of pests. The first £250 is paid by the bank. Anything more than that would need to be covered by yourselves. Accounts. The first one is the silver account. It's charged at £10 a month and offers you European travel assurance and free purchases worldwide as long as you use your debit card. It also offers 1 mobile phone claim in a 12-month period. This covers repair or replace. You can also earn up to 40% off cinema tickets and you'll get a taste card. If you want more information, like I said, the best thing to do is go on their website. Their platinum account is charged at £20 a month and offers worldwide family travel insurance, and they also have something called the travel service. Travel service offers 10% if you book through them on hotels, holidays, car hire, etc. 5% if you book a cruise through them, but also gives you access to airport lounges for you and 1 other person. Again, more information is available on their website. Their mobile phone insurance covers 2 claims in a 12-month period, and this account also offers you breakdown cover. The rear vehicle must be registered to the account holder's address. Okay, so the Lloyds Platinum account has worldwide family travel insurance, breakdown cover, and mobile phone insurance. I forgot to add these to the video, hence why I'm doing it as a voiceover. The Club Platinum account has all the benefits of the Platinum account plus the benefits of the Club account, so that includes the interest benefits as well. Okay, so finally, the large package account that I'm going to talk about is the Flex Plus. This account comes from Nationwide and it's charged at £13 per month. It offers you worldwide family travel insurance and also the ability to use your card worldwide. That includes purchases and cash withdrawals. They also offer you breakdown cover for UK and Europe, and it covers you or anyone who's authorised to drive your vehicle, but you must be with them at the time of call out. The mobile phone insurance is also worldwide and it covers you and your family, and you can make up to 4 claims in a 12-month period. So that's all the packaged accounts, guys. It's important that you read the policy booklet because it also explains the excess fees. So excess is the amount that you would pay towards a claim. For example, if you had to make a claim whilst on holiday, you would be expected to pay the first £50 and then the bank would take the rest if the claim was accepted. Hope it was useful and you found the account that you were looking for, or found out that you had the best account for you. If you do want to switch your account, there is something called the 7-day switch service. It is independent of banks, and all of the banks that I've talked about today are covered by this service. So you can switch your account within 7 working days, and it will switch all of your direct debits and close your previous bank account and transfer the money that's currently in the account. It's important to note that it's only your current account. You would need to take care of your own savings account, and this is a guarantee, so it's separate to banks. If something does go wrong, then you could potentially be open to some sort of compensation. The other thing that's important to know is all of these banks are also covered by the Financial Service Compensation Scheme. What that means is if any of these banks go bust or bankrupt, your money is protected up to £85,000. That's based on you. If you have a joint account, then of course it doubles. Okay guys, I hope you found this useful. Please like, follow, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Let me know what other things you want to hear about.